Okay, welcome to today's video walk around. I'm on the sands, the Leaf in Khao Lak. This is a basic room. Here we go. Hopefully I'll be staying here next week. It comes with either a double bed and a twin setup, TV, fridge. We got a safe here? A safe?
Yes.
Oh, we got a digital safe. And spin around, just take you into the bathroom. Shower, western toilet, and hair dryer. Okay, just a quick overview of the standard room. The lady on reception just told me it was 1,175 per night for two, including breakfast. Okay, just a quick room tour, and I'll just walk around the rest of the property. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Oops. Put my shoes back on. Thank you very much for showing me the room. Thank you so much. Okay, so that was a standard room. I'm just going to have a walk through the rest of the property. If you do like this kind of walk-through tours, please do like and subscribe. It helps the channel, and it also allows other people on YouTube. These videos tend to pop up more frequently if I get more likes and subscriptions, so like-minded people can have a look. So that was basically the room I was just in. 2 stories. And I'm just going to have a walk through. I think we've got some flags on the some of these balconies now because we've got the Europeans football competition coming up. Thank you very much. I'm just going to have a little walk. Thank you. The kind lady just showed me from reception to the room there, so I can just give you a quick tour of a basic. That's a basic room, by the way. Looked very quite modern. Everything looked relatively new. It was super clean, and the air conditioning was icy cold. So there we go. As you can see, these are bungalow type accommodations. There are 2 pools here, so I'll just walk you around the pools, give you quite a quick idea what the grounds look like. Time of filming is second week in June. Hit and miss with the weather at the moment. We've had some fantastic days and we've had some really stormy days and evenings, so you're not guaranteed the weather this time of year, so it is low season. I was staying in a sister hotel to this one, the Waters, the other day. They've got a few hotels in the area. I did a walk around tour around one of the other hotels as well. I'll put the links in the description anyway, and if you are interested in looking at the other hotels in the chain, feel free. Morning! We have a lovely swim up bar here. What time does the bar open? What time is it open? No, what time? 10 o'clock? Okay. It shuts at 6 o'clock. Not quite sure what time it opens. There might be a sign. There we go. 11 till... opens at 11 o'clock. Here we go. Happy hour. Yeah. And cocktails. Yeah. And we have a lunch menu.
Yeah.
Nice double-sided note. And one more.
Yeah.
A very helpful gentleman there on the bar showing me what you can have. Food and drinks. So I'll just freeze the video at any point if you want to check out the prices and what's available. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. You got a bit of a shady area there. I'm assuming that's where you do massages at some point. That's across the accommodation. Get back in the shade. Oh, it's a hot one today. The weather app did forecast 100% rain, and then an hour later it was down to 40%, and this is the weather, as you can see. You can't always rely on the weather apps. This chain of hotels does look, has a feel of being very, very similar. The walkway's the same. The waters is a bit more, I don't know how I can describe it, a bit more square, rather than these have more windy paths. So but if you walk in reception, you get the instant feeling you're in this chain of hotels. Oh, massage. I'll just give you a quick guide to prices. These look very, very reasonably priced. 400 baht for a Thai massage. And there we go. Those are very, very competitive prices for a hotel massage. Obviously on the street you can get a little bit cheaper. There's a few places on Khao Lak Main Street offering the massages, Thai massages from 250 baht. Most are charging 300. And the hotels do charge a premium, but you do have the convenience. There we go. And we have a gym. Okay, there's no aircon turned on at the moment, but there is aircon, which you will need if you're training. Just a small gym. I'll walk you up to what I think is the breakfast area. Morning. Keeping the grounds in tip-top condition. And this looks like where you will come for your breakfast, lunch or evening meal. Bakery. Obviously food will be laid out on all these stations. And you have direct access onto the main street through there. Okay, let's walk back. So I'll walk you onto the second pool area now, and then back to reception, and I'll conclude the video there. Okay, so we have poolside accommodation here. Spin round, and poolside here on 2 levels, overlooking the pool. That's quite a pleasant view. I'm very tempted to jump in there in a moment, have a swim, cool off. And more poolside accommodation, yet again on the 2 levels. Spin round to the pools, give you an overview. And then I'll conclude the video at reception. As I said, if you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. It really does help the channel. If you have any questions, please do ask away, and I'll answer as honestly as I can. I do these things in one take. I just give you an honest review, just walking around, gives you an idea of exactly what you're paying for. Some of the pictures on the booking sites can be very misleading. The property had the pictures taken many years ago. So time of filming is June 2014. Okay, and thank you for watching.